Get ready to dive into a showdown between the OnePlus 15 and the Google Pixel 10 Pro, two powerhouses battling it out in display brilliance, camera tech, and raw performance. Will the OnePlus 15's massive 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED with an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision outshine the Pixel 10 Pro's peak brightness of 3,300 nits and adaptive smooth display? Can the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip in OnePlus 15 flex more muscle compared to Google's Tensor G5? What about camera zoom capabilities, battery life, and those special AI-driven features that could tip the scales? And here's the real kicker. Does sheer hardware muscle beat Google's smart software magic? Stick around because by the end, you'll have to decide, is raw power or intelligent innovation the future of smartphones? Starting with displays, the OnePlus 15 flaunts a larger 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a stunning 165Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth visuals and vivid Dolby Vision HDR10+ support. It also boasts 13% higher brightness and 10% lower power consumption thanks to its X3 luminescent material and ceramic guard glass, making it a powerhouse for both clarity and durability. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO OLED hits an impressive peak brightness of 3,300 nits, perfect for outdoor visibility, but it maxes out at 120 Hz. The OnePlus's combination of size, refresh rate, and power efficiency makes its display the standout for immersive and efficient viewing. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, built on a 3nm process, featuring a high-clocked octa-core CPU with 2 cores at 4.6 GHz, promising blazing speed and efficiency. In contrast, the Pixel 10 Pro uses Google's Tensor G5, also 3nm, but with a more balanced core setup focused on AI and machine learning tasks. For raw performance, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in the OnePlus 15 pulls ahead, especially in demanding applications and gaming. When it comes to unique features, the OnePlus 15 shines with its MindSpace app and AI Plus Mind that capture any information effortlessly, plus the innovative Plus Key AI button and Glacier cooling system for sustained performance. The Pixel 10 Pro counters with its Titan M2 security coprocessor, ultra-wideband support, and satellite SOS service, emphasizing security and connectivity. Both pack impressive AI-driven tools, but OnePlus leans into multitasking and performance, while Google focuses on security and emergency features. For photography, the OnePlus 15's triple 50MP setup includes a versatile wide lens with OIS and a 3.5x periscope telephoto, ideal for sharp zoom shots. The Pixel 10 Pro offers a similar 50MP main sensor, but steps up with a 5x optical zoom periscope telephoto, giving it the edge for long-range photography. Both shoot stunning 8K video, but the Pixel's 10-bit HDR and OIS combo make it a favorite for videographers seeking color depth and stability. The OnePlus 15 brings Hasselblad color calibration and AI-powered detail enhancements, plus a laser focus system that nails sharpness quickly. Pixel 10 Pro counters with multi-zone laser autofocus and pixel shift for ultra-high resolution, alongside Magic Q and intelligent object removal for editing on the fly. Pixel's software magic gives it a creative edge, while OnePlus focuses on hardware precision. Battery life is a clear win for the OnePlus 15, with a massive 7,300 mAh cell, promising extended use without frequent charges. The Pixel 10 Pro's 4,870 mAh battery is respectable, but can't match the endurance offered by OnePlus's sheer capacity, making OnePlus the choice for power users who need all-day stamina. Both phones offer robust protection with IP68 water and dust resistance, but the OnePlus 15 goes a step further with IP69 certification, meaning it can handle high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, adding extra durability for rugged use. In terms of memory, OnePlus 15 offers a wider range of configuration options, topping out at 1 TB storage with up to 16 GB RAM, plus options for 12 GB RAM that balance performance and cost. Pixel 10 Pro sticks to 16GB RAM across the board, but starts with a smaller 128GB base storage. OnePlus's flexibility caters better to power users with diverse needs. Pricing-wise, the OnePlus 15 starts at around $900 plus, undercutting the Pixel 10 Pro's $999 price tag. For those weighing budget against features, OnePlus delivers more screen real estate, battery, and performance for less, making the Pixel's premium price a question of whether its software advantages justify the extra cost.